The Flowforming Plus process is used to achieve near-net shape on a wide variety of custom metal profiles. But how do we do it? Let's take a closer look. Whether you have a pre-existing design or are starting from scratch, we work with you to craft the metal components you need. We start by reverse engineering to calculate the required volume of material, and then deep draw a laser-cut metal blank. Then, a press is used to sculpt your preform. The preform is held in place on the mandrel by a tailstock and pushed onto the flowforming machine to start the shaping process. The preform is shaped as the mandrel and forming wheels rotate and apply pressure. Unlike traditional spinning, flowforming ensures precise control over material thickness. The final form is achieved with deep drawing after only minutes of shaping. The flow-formed part is then unmounted and ready to serve its intended purpose. We also offer additional processes to ensure your component meets its specific requirements, from heat treating to laser cutting, chemical processing, and other specialized treatments. Parts range from 1 to 48 inches in diameter and 0.015 to 0.38 inch final wall thickness. We also offer a wide range of materials, including stainless steel, aluminum, and other nickel-based alloys. PMF Industries, the world's premier flowforming manufacturer, transforming possibilities into realities. Learn more at flowformingplus.com.